Team ELC hat that you see me wearing, and sometimes you'll see me wearing a Team ELC t-shirt. I'm not making them available just yet, but I am giving away a free hat along with a free sticker. You'll be seeing in the next bit of this video that I've got the new sticker on the back window of the Mini. Now the way to get the new, the smaller sticker and the free hat is go onto the Facebook page. The link is in the description. Like the Facebook page if you haven't already. Then you want to make sure that you're subscribed on here, and then in the comments to the picture of the new sticker, just simply put done. That means you're entered. We will be drawing that I think in August at some point. I was going to do it August 18th because that is the year anniversary that I lost Emma, but I don't know what sort of state I'm going to be in for that, so we'll see what happens. We're hoping to do it towards like August, so make sure you get entered. New stickers on, just for Emma. It's got a name in the initials, so now everybody knows what Team ELC means. You can probably get quail. No, unfortunately the big one has got a fair few bubbles in it still. But no bubbles in the newer Name Not a Story and the links. Well, I like that. Nice new design. The Jodelle Memorial one. Hopefully soon make a start on wrapping. Also got new backlights to put on. I kind of got bored and set a tyre foam off. You know how flammable it is? No, I'm not that stupid. Actually, here I am. Just a little piece there, let's see how. Oh, it is flammable. If it wasn't so close to the car, I would do it. Right, now time to dispose of the evidence. There we go. God, I'm an idiot. But anyway, in other news, new lights are in. It's like all that rare, but it was quite old, so I was like, right, I'm not going to use it for anything, so I'll just set fire to it. And right, yeah, I think it's still burning, but oh well. Back on with light, easy enough to do. Bolt behind there, 2 clips, push it out, done. Job done. Well, I'm taking it away because that'll. I've got a really sore nose today. What the hell? So it's a smart bomb set off. So yeah, 1 single bolt behind there. Your better way a long reach 10mm socket. And then 2 clips, 1 down here, 1 up there, and then push it out for the new light. I said new, they're getting smoked and that, but I'm putting a new lens on that, I think, and then these may go back on. We'll see. That one was a pain in the backside. No. Nearly there. Tyre foam incident. Got new front bumper on. Yay! You like out like this? Yeah. So I walk in and you're listening to techno music, yeah? Oh dear. Well, Dexter likes it.